Do you let Abreva sit or rub it in? Apply Abreva Cream 5 times throughout the day with a cotton swab or your finger. Use an ample amount to completely cover the sore itself and the surrounding area. Rub it in gently and completely. Product details. How to use Abreva cold sore treatment. Simply apply Abreva Cream at the first sign of a tingle, bump or itch. Completely cover the cold sore and surrounding area. This healing cream should be applied 5 times a day until your cold sore is fully healed, for a maximum of 10 days. Always wash your hands after applying Abreva Cream. Other products, such as lip balm, can be applied over this cold sore treatment. 1. When used at the first sign. 1 0.07 ounces pump bottle of Abreva Docosanol 10% cream cold sore treatment. Fever blister cream contains Docosanol 10% to shorten the duration of cold sore symptoms. Cold sore treatment penetrates deep into skin to tackle cold sores at their source. Healing cream shortens duration of tingling, pain, burning and itching associated with cold sores. Lip cream for fever blisters packaged in a convenient tube for on-the-go cold sore treatment. Abreva Cream is the only non-prescription cold sore medicine approved by the FDA to shorten healing time. 1. HSA and FSA eligible item. Directions. Instructions. Adults and children 12 years or over, wash hands before and after applying cream. Apply to affected area on face or lips at the first sign of cold sore, fever blister, tingle. Early treatment ensures the best results. Rub in gently but completely. Use 5 times a day until healed. Children under 12 years, ask a doctor.